Gearboard presents the top 5 best cheap CNC machines. Let's get started with a list. Starting off our list at number 1, Bob CNC E4 CNC machine. The first in the list is going to be one of the CNC routers that we personally love. The Bob CNC E4 is an excellent choice to begin with. It has a 610mm x 610mm cutting area and supported using a SG20 rail system. Made out of rigid laser cut frames, you are going to love the process of doing something on it. If you are aware, this machine resembles closely with Bob CNC E3. Powering this little beast is a NEMA 17-stepper motor. You can use this machine to work on hard plastic or light strength wood. When you buy it, the whole package comes in a very safe way with great quality of materials, better for anyone just starting out. The spatial movements of X and Y are quite smooth. It makes an excellent, consistent connection of the screw to a motor. At number 2, McGruit CNC 3018 Pro Router. McGruit CNC router offers all of the great qualities you expect from a router, and for a reasonable price. It is about average size, perfect for desktop use when space may be limited. The router can be used offline by simply downloading all of the necessary files onto a USB and then plugging it into the offline connection. The capacity of the offline tool is only 1 GB, which should be enough space for most projects of that physical size, but this may be somewhat limiting for experienced users. Ideal router for beginners. Easy assembly. The necessary software and manual can be downloaded online. At number 3, SonSmart Mitsu CNC Router Machine 3018. If you are looking for a small CNC router machine to install into your home, you will find many different setups over the internet. However, if you want a machine that is as efficient as it is effective, then you can try the SonSmart Mitsu CNC Router Machine 3018. This is a very smart machine loaded with features that make it very suitable to work with. The SonSmart 3018 has pre-assembled parts which make setting it up a very easy affair. It should not take you more than 15 minutes to set up this extraordinary machine. Works with high-quality, open-source software. Swift assembly time. Can be used offline. At number 4, Yawfili CNC 3018 Promax Router. If you are looking for a high-end CNC router that can fit into the workshop in your garage, Yawfili CNC 3018 Promax is the router for you. The whole setup is carved from aluminum alloy and is therefore very rugged and is surely going to work for you for a long time to come. This CNC router machine features a volume of 400mm by 330mm by 240mm with an effective work area of 300mm by 180mm. The machine has an excellent rotary device. At number 5, CNC Carve King Millwright. If you talk about design, then the Carve King CNC by Millwright is going to be a great machine. Not only is it a great budget CNC machine, but packs a punch with features such as a USB controlled board which is preloaded with Garble control firmware. The whole CNC has been built over a double refined 3/4 MDF frame which supports the entire machine during the operations.